today we are going to talk about the new update of Rangy AI, all the new features, all the new tools and new AI models that we have added to this app. I'm going to talk about all of them and show you how to use them. If you're ready, let's begin. So it's been about a month that we haven't released a new update for Rangy AI. And for those of you who don't have Rangy and are interested in this app, in this cool software, you can just get it from the link down in the description for free. You can test it. If you like it, you can upgrade your plan. So let's talk about the new features. So the first feature that we have added, and I really like it, is the MCP server for Rangy. For those of you who already know what is MCP, I'm sure you are feeling very excited. So what you can do with MCP server let you to connect your AI model like any LLM, like Claude, like ChatGPT, like Gemini, DeepSeek, whatever you're using, you can connect it to this software and you tell that AI model to do the work here for you. So I'm going to show you in a moment. If you open the Rangy app, if you come to the setting, here we have added a new tab which is called AI Assistant. Let me make it bigger. AI Assistants. And if you just turn it on and leave the software open, then AI models on your computer can recognize it. Also, to make the work easier for them, you can just come here, for example, for Claude desktop, you can just come here and copy this code and share it with Claude. Or for example, here we have Codex, we have Gemini, and some other. You can just share the information here with them and they will be able to connect it to it. So here we have Rangy app, it is open. I'm going to come here to Claude. This is Claude app and I'm on Claude code right now. And here I'm just going to write down connect to Rangy app on my computer. Okay, let's give it more hint. So just write this. It will look at the softwares that you have on your computer. And if it finds Rangy, it just do what it is necessary to connect to this platform. Right? Connected. The Rangy app is running and responding with a pro license. So it will check the license as well. And here are some of the models, the image models, the video models, and what you can do with it, the upscalers. So whatever I write here, Claude will do the work for me. Claude will go to Rangy and use the app itself. I can do the same with Codex, which is from ChatGPT. Let's just share the same prompt and let's see if it can recognize it. So let's wait for a couple of seconds and let's make it a little bit bigger. All right, it took like a couple of minutes, like 2-3 minutes. It found Rangy, but it is trying to connect to it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make its work easier. I'm gonna stop this. I'm gonna come here on Codex CLI and I'm just gonna copy this and come here and paste it. Let's see if now it can connect to Rangy. All right, it thought about it for 2 more minutes and now it's written Rangy is connected successfully. So we can use Rangy here inside Codex as well. Let's go back to Claude. Here I'm going to write down, I want you, let's just send it. I want you to create an image using GPT image 2 with 2K quality in a square size about a gaming mouse, but I want you to cut it and we want to have it as a PNG with transparent background. So this is one of the cool features that we have put here. And I'm just right now I'm trying it on 1 image. Okay, you can just try it on 20 images, as much as you want. You can just give the order. Now one thing it will do, it will let you know that how much it will cost. For example, here it is 5 cents because it's not much. It will not ask for permission, but when it is a little bit higher, more than 10-20 cents, it will ask you for your permission. If you approve it, then it will start generating. And I think it's using Kai. So if we come here to Kai platform and just refresh the logs, here we can see GPT image 2, it wrote a prompt itself and it is running. Okay, and if we come back here to Rangy app. Right now we don't see it because it is not generated, but as soon as the generation is complete, we can start seeing the result here. And one good thing is that it will cut the image for us as well. So I have done this before on a video game. I was working on a 2D video game. It was an old Aladdin game, which some of you should remember it. So if I just come here and scroll down, look at all these items. For example, it generated this on a green background, and then it cut each item out of it. So this way, for example, if you want to generate an image and you want to have different items on it, and then you want to cut out each of them, you don't need to spend lots of money. You just generate one image and you get the result that you want from one image. And if I just scroll up, you can see the result here. It just cut each of them, and we have all those items here available. So this is one of the cool things that you can do. Now, this is just for game design. You can use it for anything else. I have created texture for an interior of an architecture project. So it have created the textures that I wanted, the materials that I wanted here, and some items. You can see it have generated each of these items, the images, and itself, it cut them out, and it goes higher and higher. For example, here, I use the same system to generate a storyboard, okay? This is a story of some animals doing something. It generated all the images, and then it also generated the video. I did the same here. I mentioned a book, and I wanted it to generate a long video of a short summary of that book. So if you come to videos here, if I scroll down, I think I have tried this with different AI models. Here we have, I think, Grok Imagine.
And finds new cheese, more than before. The cheese will move. It always moves. So keep moving.
So this is an example of one of the shots. But the good thing about it is that if you come here and you tell Claude that I want one video as the result, when each of the shots are ready, then it will put all of them together, it will mix them, it will edit them, and it will give you the final result. So to show you, I'm just going to come here, and here are some of the results that it made. So here we have one example. Let me just make it bigger. So as you can see, it is 2 minutes. So it has put all of these shots one after each other.
Everybody has cheese. Maybe yours is a job, a relationship, a city, a routine that feels safe.
4 characters live.
So that first part was one shot. Now this is the second shot that it placed it one after another. It
Moved my cheese.
It also added the music for it as well. So these are all the cool things
Is usually made of paper.
that you can do with this great MCP server system. So sometimes when I'm recording a video, normally it is working, everything is working fine. But when I'm recording a video, something crazy happens. So here, for example, Kai platform always work fine, but right now it is stuck at generating this GPT image too, okay? So because it didn't get the result that it wanted, it is stuck here, it sent another request. While this is generating, let me show you the other updates of Rangy. So the next thing that we have added, and it is very exciting, is in the video tab. Now, as you can see here, we have Seedance 2.5 available, we have Minimax H3 available, and we have P video, which is from Pruna, available here. And I'm just going to show you a couple of examples that I did with each of these AI models. So this is from Seedream, this is from Seedance 2.5. It's a very cool ad video. It's very cool. It's 6 seconds, and you can see the prices here. Of course, Seedance 2.5 is the most expensive AI model out there, but also the best AI video generator. I will create another video, show you all these examples and focusing just on Seedance 2.5, and Minimax. I'm going to show you another example from Minimax. So here it is. Let's have a look. This ad was also made by Minimax. Minimax is much cheaper, as you can see, for a 6-second video, but the result is also amazing. So we have added these new 3 AI video generator here as well. The next update that we have is in the Pro tab. So in the Pro tab, we have added Seedream 5 Pro for restoring old damaged images. And also in the enhancement part, we have added Pruna. So it's a great AI upscaler and also very cheap, and super fast. You can just select 8x, and let me show you an example. Let's come here in the photos. Let's go down. Let's find an image here. You have lots of portrait here. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to come here and I'm going to resize this. Just paste it here. And let's say we have an image which its size is 350 by 350. And apply the resize. If we scroll up, we have our image here. It's low quality, and I'm just going to drag and drop it here on the right side. And I have selected Pruna already. Enhance realism is on, and enhance detail is also on, and that's it. I'm just going to click on generate. It will take a couple of seconds, usually 3 to 6 seconds, and it will give us the result. All right, so the result is ready. Let's have a look at it. This is the result of Pruna. If we zoom in, you can see all the details. It's amazing. Let's compare it with the, I think it's this one, right? Yeah. Let's match the size. Just look at the difference. This was our low resolution image, and this is the result of Pruna. In just a couple of seconds, like 6-7 seconds, it have generated this amazing result. I think it's the best AI upscaler available right now. All right, the next feature that we have added to this new version of Rangy is folder management system. So before we had a folder management system, but we have changed that. If you pay attention here, we have an arrow, and if you just click on it, it will just drop down and show you all the folders that we have here. We can just maximize it, and we have different folders. You can just open them, close them. For example, this is our Aladdin project for the game, and inside it we have different folders as well. So this is all the images inside this folder. Here we have background, here we have characters, here we have some other items, tiles, UI. So it did place each of these items in their folder. You can tell this to Claude or GPT as well. So while they are generating, they place each of these items in their folder as well. As you can see, it's a very cool folder management system. It's very easy to use. You can come on general, or you can go on all to see all the images that you have generated. And our mouse image is ready. I think the first image is ready. It took a long time, unfortunately, which Claude is not aware of it, because it's waiting for the second image. Here's the result that it made. And if we just tell Claude to do it, it will cut it. I'm just going to say the first image you requested is now ready to cut. Now this usually works much faster, especially if you are just running a project. For example, I want to create a blog post on my website. I just tell Claude that write a blog post about this topic, and if you need any image, or generate 5 or 6 or 10 images regarding this blog post using Rangy. Okay, all right, the result is ready, and it just did a cut as well. You can see it made a clear cut, and now we can use it anywhere we want. If we just come here to the files that we have here, to the images, you can just click on a folder, or just go to videos and photos. It will update them. Here is the result that we have. it's cut, it's a PNG, and you can use it anywhere you want. So that was all about the new update of Rangy AI. Again, if you don't have Rangy, you can click on the link down in the description. It will take you to Rangy AI landing page. You can read more about it, and also you can get it for free. You can test it. If you like it, you can upgrade to higher levels. So if you're interested in these kind of trainings and tutorials, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment below. This way I will understand you have enjoyed this training and I will make more of them for you. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, click on subscribe and turn on the bell on all notifications so you don't miss any upcoming trainings and tutorials on AI. So that was all about this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you soon on the next one.